What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be cleaning this hat. We dirtied it up a bit. We have here some combat cleaner, and let's jump right into it. So we got this brand new hat. We rubbed dirt all over it to get it dirty. So step number one, we're gonna get our brush. The brush is a very important part here. This brush is not too rough. It won't pull the stitching out. So your hat's not gonna look like a tennis ball right after you're done. So we're gonna jump right into it. So first step we're gonna get is a dry brush, and we're gonna try to brush as much debris off of the hat. So we're gonna go brush as much dirt off. We don't want that getting wet and just dealing with more dirt. So we're gonna just brush it all off. And just doing that, we get a lot of dirt out, believe it or not. So there we have it. Step number one done. A lot of dirt came out. So let me clean this up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Next, what we're gonna want to do is get our bowl of water and our cleaner. We're gonna shake up the cleaner a bit, spray our brush, and dip it into the water. We don't want to put too much water into the hat. We don't want to get that soaked. So here we go. And then we're gonna just start scrubbing. You want to get those suds coming. It's gonna help pull up the dirt. So we're doing the brim right now. It's good to do the hat in sections. So I'm drying up the brim. Looks like what came out really good. And then we're gonna move on to the next, which is the top of the hat. Same process. You're gonna get the brush, spray it, solution, back into the bowl, and then we're gonna work the top. You put your arm inside the hat for support, and go at it. So with this brush, don't worry, you can scrub vigorously. This is not gonna pull up the stitching on the hat. The fabric on the hat is not gonna be lifted with this because it's fragile enough to get deep in there and clean it out without damaging it. So I'm just going at it. There we go. And then we'll wipe it off. Pick up as much dirt. If this process doesn't work for you the first time, just keep on going at it and it'll come right off. A tip what you can do is when you're brushing to go with the fabric, the lining, so you can get in the grooves to get all the dirt out. Pick up the dirt. I'm gonna go one more pass on the top, and then I'm gonna call it because I think that'll be good enough. There we go. So right now I'm satisfied with the hat. It is a little wet. So what you can do is you set it outside, let it dry up. You can put a towel inside to keep the form. And there you go, that's it. I have a clean hat, simple. Took me about 4 minutes and I got myself a clean hat. So the results speak for themselves. This is the #1 hat cleaning kit on Amazon. You can find this on Google or there. Check the description down below. We'll have a link there. Send you straight to Amazon Prime. Get it within 2 days. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll also be having a promo code down below. So try to catch that before it's all gone.